General Motors recently recalled over 500,000 cars due to engines failing from the inside. The surprising cause wasn't faulty parts, but modern thin oils meant to save fuel. These oils can harm engines without warning. Understanding their risks and proper maintenance is essential to prevent costly damage. 1. Sarah's engine trouble. Sarah, a nurse from Michigan, followed every maintenance schedule perfectly for her 2019 Chevy Equinox and used the recommended oil. One morning, her engine suddenly stopped working without warning lights or noises, leaving her stranded. The repair cost was $12,000 and her car had only 47,000 miles. Thousands of drivers face similar issues due to thin oils. These oils save fuel, but can cause severe damage if engines are stressed, overheated, or not monitored carefully. Her story shows the importance of knowing your engine, oil type, and maintenance routines to avoid unexpected, costly failures. Monitoring oil regularly, understanding consumption, and acting on warning signs can save drivers from expensive repairs and ensure the vehicle runs safely over time. 2. What engine oil does? Engine oil has 4 main jobs: lubrication, cooling, cleaning, and sealing. It prevents metal parts from rubbing, carries heat away, removes dirt, and keeps pistons sealed. Older thick oils handled these tasks well and lasted longer between changes. Thin oils still perform these jobs, but are more sensitive to heat, stress, and driving habits, requiring closer monitoring. Modern engines need frequent oil checks because thin oils break down faster under high temperatures or heavy loads. Regular inspection, timely changes, and correct oil selection ensure smooth engine operation and prevent premature wear or catastrophic damage. Proper lubrication is vital for engine life, reducing friction, protecting components, and maintaining fuel efficiency while avoiding costly engine replacements. 3. Why cars use thin oil? Thin oils are used to save fuel and meet stricter economy standards. They reduce friction, flow easily, and reach engine parts faster than thick oils. While this improves efficiency, thin oils evaporate faster, give less cushioning to moving parts, and can leak more easily. Drivers need to understand these risks. Incorrect use can cause piston wear, overheating, or even engine failure. Proper oil selection, regular maintenance, and monitoring are essential. Balancing fuel savings with engine safety helps prevent damage. Thin oils provide benefits, but only when drivers actively maintain oil levels and use high-quality products suitable for their engines. Awareness, education, and regular inspection play a key role in preventing engine problems. 4. GM recall and oil issues. GM recalled 2016 to 2019 cars with 1.4-liter turbo engines using 5W30 thin oil. Turbochargers, small engines, and direct injection put extreme stress on oil, causing fast consumption, sometimes a quart every 1,000 miles. GM initially denied warranty claims, but later recalled cars, updated engine software, and extended warranties. This shows how thin oils can fail in certain engines. Drivers must monitor oil levels, check consumption, and use high-quality oil. Understanding your engine's requirements prevents catastrophic failures, reduces repair costs, and ensures reliability. Awareness and proactive maintenance are key to avoiding similar problems in other cars. Regular checks, early detection, and premium oil use are critical to engine longevity. 5. Thin oil problems in other cars. GM is not alone. Ford EcoBoost, Hyundai, Kia, and some BMW engines have high oil consumption or failures. Thin oil engines are sensitive to driving style, maintenance, and oil quality. Using poor oil or ignoring maintenance can accelerate wear. While thin oils save fuel, they require attention. Drivers must check levels frequently, choose high-quality oils, and maintain proper schedules. Modern engines designed for thin oil benefit from careful care, but neglect can lead to costly repairs or engine failure. Awareness of these patterns across brands helps drivers prevent problems before they escalate. Education about oil type, quality, and proper monitoring can reduce stress and extend engine life. 6. Why engine design matters. Engine design affects how thin oil performs. Engines built for low-viscosity oil work reliably, while older engines adapted for thin oil may leak or wear quickly. Seal materials, oil passage size, turbo cooling, and fuel injection patterns all influence oil performance. Improper design increases risk of leaks, wear, or failure. Engines designed for thin oil and paired with high-quality lubricants run smoothly. Knowing your engine's design helps choose the correct oil, maintain it properly, and prevent premature wear. Careful attention ensures your engine lasts longer, performs efficiently, and avoids damage caused by thin lubricants under stress. Engine geometry, tolerances, and cooling also impact how oils behave under extreme conditions. 7. Choosing the right oil. Not all 5W30 or 0W20 oils are equal. Premium synthetic oils include additives that reduce evaporation, maintain thickness, and protect moving parts under extreme conditions. Cheap oils of the same rating can break down faster and may damage engines. Thin oils face more stress, so using poor quality oil can quickly lead to wear, even if following guidelines. Picking the right brand and formula is essential to prevent costly failures, maintain smooth engine operation, and ensure long-term reliability. Investing in high-quality oil protects engine components, reduces wear, and improves performance under daily and extreme driving conditions. Proper oil selection is crucial for both fuel savings and engine durability. 8. Why maintenance is important. Thin oils require more frequent changes than old, thick oils. For example, 10W40 could go 7,500 miles between changes, but 5W30 often needs 3,000 to 5,000 miles. Manufacturer suggestions may be too optimistic for real driving conditions. Regular oil checks, timely replacements, and quality oil are vital. Without proper maintenance, engines wear faster, leak, or even fail. Thin oils are less forgiving, so proactive care is crucial. Monitoring oil levels, changing oil on time, and observing consumption patterns help prevent costly repairs and keep modern engines running safely, efficiently, and reliably over time. Preventive maintenance ensures your engine lasts longer and avoids sudden breakdowns or expensive repairs. 9. Everyday driving risks. Thin oils perform well under ideal conditions, but everyday driving is often tougher. Stop-and-go traffic, extreme temperatures, short trips, and occasional maintenance neglect increase oil breakdown. Thin oils may evaporate faster, lubricate less effectively, or degrade sooner. Lab tests may not reflect real-world conditions. Drivers must adjust schedules, monitor oil levels, and consider weather and traffic patterns. Real-world challenges make proactive care essential. Failing to monitor oil usage, especially in hot climates or heavy traffic, can shorten engine life, increase wear, and sometimes cause catastrophic engine failures despite using the recommended thin oil. Proper care, monitoring, and understanding risks prevent major damage. 10. How to protect your engine. To protect thin oil engines, use high-quality synthetic oils and change them every 3,000 to 5,000 miles, especially under harsh conditions. Check oil monthly and track usage patterns. Sudden increases indicate possible problems. Some approved additives may help, but check warranties first. These steps maintain lubrication, prevent overheating, and extend engine life. Proactive care prevents premature wear and catastrophic damage. Regular maintenance, careful oil selection, and monitoring consumption help modern engines perform safely, efficiently, and reliably. Following these practices ensures engines stay protected, fuel efficient, and long-lasting, even under heavy loads, high temperatures, or demanding driving conditions. 11. Monitoring oil consumption patterns. Tracking oil use is crucial for thin oils. High or sudden consumption can indicate leaks, worn rings, or valve seal issues. Recording oil levels over time catches problems early. Observing trends shows if oil burn is normal or a warning sign. Drivers can respond by topping up, adjusting intervals, or visiting a mechanic. Monitoring prevents major damage, maintains lubrication, and ensures reliable performance. Proactive oil monitoring helps engines run efficiently, reduces risk of breakdowns, and provides early warning to avoid costly repairs, especially for modern thin oil engines under stress. Regular monitoring ensures long-term engine health and avoids surprises. General Motors recall highlights the hidden dangers of modern thin oils. While designed to improve fuel efficiency, they can quietly damage engines if not monitored carefully. Staying informed, using the right oil, and maintaining your vehicle regularly are crucial steps to protect your engine and avoid costly repairs.